Hi there, welcome back to Tech Product. If you are tired of undercooked rice or spending too much time watching the stove, this little kitchen helper might change the way you cook every day. Today we are talking about one of the best electric rice cooker options for simple and stress-free meals at home. Let's get started. Meet the Toshiba TRCS02 electric rice cooker. Even though it looks compact, it is packed with smart features that make cooking easy and reliable. This is not just a basic rice cooker. It comes with 8 cooking functions including white rice, quick cook, brown rice, mixed grain, slow cook, porridge, cake and egg. That means you can prepare much more than rice. You can make soups, stews, oatmeal, soft cakes, and even boiled eggs all in one device. It saves space in your kitchen and reduces the need for extra appliances. The Toshiba TRCS02 is designed to handle many types of rice. Whether you like brown rice, jasmine, sushi rice, white rice, basmati, or wild rice, this cooker can manage it. It also works well with quinoa and other mixed grains, so you are not limited to one style of meal. You can switch things up whenever you want without worrying about cooking time or temperature. It has a 3-cup capacity, which is ideal for small families, couples, or even meal prep for a few days. You get enough rice for multiple servings, but the cooker itself stays compact. It fits nicely on almost any kitchen counter and does not take up much space. One of the most impressive features of the Toshiba TRCS02 electric rice cooker is its fuzzy logic technology. This smart system senses the moisture level inside the pot and adjusts the temperature and cooking time automatically. You do not have to guess or make manual changes. The cooker thinks for you and makes sure your rice comes out fluffy and perfectly cooked. The same smart adjustment works for grains and other dishes too, giving you consistent results every time. Using it is very simple. The control panel is clear and easy to understand. There is a large LED display that shows your settings so you always know what is happening. You can also use the keep warm and reheat function to maintain the perfect temperature until you are ready to eat. And if you like to plan ahead, the 24-hour delay timer lets you schedule cooking in advance. Imagine waking up to freshly cooked porridge or coming home to warm rice ready to serve. Toshiba also includes helpful accessories like a measuring cup, spatula, and soup ladle. These small extras make daily cooking more convenient and keep everything you need in one place. Cleaning is quick and simple. The inner pot has a non-stick coating, so food does not stick easily. The steam valve and vent cap are removable, which makes washing them much easier. Just use mild soap and a soft cloth, and you are done. Safety is another strong point. The Toshiba TRCS02 comes with a detachable power cord, a firmly locking lid, a thermal fuse, a steam vent cap, and automatic shutoff. These features work together to give you peace of mind while cooking. Small but powerful, that is the best way to describe it. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart kitchen finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.